Igoti riu riathite kamiti ya githurano iebc kwambiriria weru uheyani wa kandarathi ya maratathi ma upresident githurano-ini kiria giukite. Acirithania aya makinyaniria muingi ndwakuruhanitio hindi ya uheyani wa kandarathi iyo na iria iratetio igoti-ini ni mungethaniro NASA.
We hereby issue an order of certiorari removing into this court for the purposes of being quashed the decision of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, awarding the tender for the printing of the election materials, including ballot papers for the presidential election scheduled for the 8th August 2017 to the first interest parties hearing, which decision is hereby quashed.
No kambuni ino ya Dubai Al-Ghurair no iguthii na mbere gucabithia maratathi ma iturwa ingi wira uria yambiriirie kahinda-ini gaka. Kambuni ino ni yambiriirie gucabithia maratathi ma iturwa cia ugavana, seneta na abunge mihango iria yambiriirie kiumia kihituku.
There is no contract for the presidential ballot. There is a contract for 6 elections. The very narrow issue that we will engage the Court of Appeal is whether it is viable to cancel one part of one contract.
Mawakiri a IEBC magitetia guteanirio kwa maratathi giturwa-ini kimwe kuona ati kandarathi iyo yaheanitwo iri hamwe gucabithio kwa maratathi ma iturwa ciothe hamwe. Ngwataniro ya mungethaniro niyo irahandite ciro cio igoti-ini, ciro ria Jubilee ikoretwo ikiuga no wa kuhinga mehariria ma githurano kinene giukite. Kamiti ya IEBC igititirithia githurano no nginya gigatabanio tariki 8 mweri ukite kuringana na watho. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.